In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete rows or columns based on criteria in Microsoft Excel. When working with large datasets, you may sometimes need to remove rows or columns that meet a specific condition. Instead of deleting them one by one, Excel provides tools that allow you to quickly identify and remove the data that matches certain criteria. To begin, open your worksheet and make sure your data is organized in columns with clear labels at the top. This helps Excel recognize the structure of your data and makes it easier to apply filters. Click anywhere inside your dataset so Excel can detect the full range of information you are working with. Next, click the Data tab on the ribbon and then click the Filter button. Once you enable the filter feature, small drop-down arrows will appear at the top of each column. These arrows allow you to control which data appears in the worksheet based on specific conditions. Click the drop-down arrow in the column that contains the criteria you want to use. A menu will appear with filtering options depending on the type of data in that column. If the column contains numbers, you can choose number filters. If it contains text, you can choose text filters. Select the condition that matches the rows you want to remove. After applying the filter, Excel will display only the rows that meet the selected condition. Now that only the rows matching your criteria are visible, select those rows by clicking the row numbers on the left side of the worksheet. Once the rows are highlighted, right-click on the selected rows and click Delete Row. Excel will remove those rows from the worksheet while keeping the rest of your data intact. If you need to delete a column instead, click the column letter at the top of the worksheet to select the entire column. After selecting it, right-click on the column and click Delete. Excel will remove the column from the worksheet immediately. After deleting the rows or columns, click the Data tab again and click the Filter button to turn off the filter and display all remaining data normally. This allows you to review your spreadsheet and confirm that only the intended data has been removed. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.